Technique tutorial, vertical punch. You see this in different styles of Kung Fu as well as our style of karate. And basically what we're doing is the elbow scrapes the side just like the other one, and at the end our hand rolls forward into this position here where we're striking with this knuckle. Now, if we're punching the face, you can spread that strike off along your knuckles to keep your hands safe, striking face bones that would otherwise break your knuckles. Old-timey boxers would do that so that they wouldn't break their knuckles. They continue to fight. But when we're doing this, snaps into place. Snaps into place. And then it relaxes back. It doesn't stay there, it relaxes back. Now, we can apply this at the end of a technique, like if we use a hammer fist block, we can follow it up there. Or we can use a hammer fist strike and follow it up there. Or we can use a hammer fist strike as a block and follow it up there. Other things, obviously, we could do too, but it can be used in tandem with various techniques.